Are you looking for the best Cricut machines? In this video we will look at some of the best Cricut machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Cricut Maker. There is a reason why we have debuted the Cricut Maker at the top of our list. When it comes to smart cutting machines, it comes at the top of the line. Cricut Maker. This particular model comes with 50 different ready-to-make patterns that are completely free to use. Similarly, it also offers 25 sewing patterns. Your cut will be made in no time. It also offers a USB cable through which one can charge their smartphone or tablet while working around. It is not only just easy to use but also offers an endless array of possibilities for cutting. At number 2, Cricut EasyPress 2. If you are looking forward to creating iron-on vinyl projects, there is no better option than Cricut EasyPress 2. One of the biggest USP of Cricut EasyPress 2 is that it can actually heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is quite astounding on its own. Cricut EasyPress 2 further including, it comes with different sizes so that you can get the perfect fit. You can manually control everything with the machine, starting from setting up times to changing the heat settings. That is why it comes with a safety base along with auto-off features. If the machine is sitting idle for even 10 minutes, it will automatically turn itself off. Truth to be told, it is something that can truly come handy at times. At number 3, Cricut EasyPress Mini. You would be surprised to know the varieties of sizes in which you can actually get the EasyPress lineup from Cricut. The EasyPress Mini, as the name suggests, is precisely what it does. It is compact is the size and the perfect companion for all of your vinyl hobbies. Cricut EasyPress Mini. Another great feature is the added safety within the product. There is also great flexibility when it comes to heat settings. Based on the material you are working with, you can either choose between low, medium or high settings. The heat plate beneath the Press Mini distributes the heat evenly so that you don't miss out on any corner. At number 4, Cricut Joy. The Cricut Joy is by far one of the most compact Cricut lines of the products. In fact, it is just the size of a bread loaf. Cricut Joy machine. Apart from having a power adapter, the majority of the task is handled wirelessly using the Cricut Design Space application. In other words, the Cricut Joy is the perfect fun machine if you want to get started with the cutting cards and other crafts. Its small and compact design also makes it the perfect candidate to carry wherever you get. But, on the contrary, don't expect too much from Joy. For the heavy lifting, and professional artworks, it is always advised to go with its bigger brother the Cricut Maker. At number 5, Cricut EasyPress 2. While you might expect only cutting machines from Cricut, it also offers a few other heat press models under its EasyPress lineup which are designed for printing function. The Cricut EasyPress 2 Cricut machine comes at the first position of this list as it is a heavy-duty heat press machine. Being a heat press machine, it is designed for printing designs and shapes on your clothing items with ease. And the best part about this heat press machine from Cricut is that it has a pretty large maximum size rating of 12" x 10" for ease of use. Although, this does make the machine a bit large in terms of its size and form factor. Offers heat press function. Comes with a 1-year-long warranty.